To create a shortcut on your SkyHome app, press the Menu tab in the top left corner of your home screen. A menu should appear with a few options to choose from. Select Shortcuts. Click on the plus button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Give your shortcut a name. Click Next. Choose a memorable icon for the shortcut. Click Next. Select the room your device is located and set the desired percentage of brightness for your fixture. Click Done. Repeat this process for other rooms and fixtures in your home. Tap the icon below to give it a try or click Finish to go back to the shortcut menu. You can now find the shortcut on your SkyHome app home screen. To use your shortcut, click on it and choose Run Shortcut. You have successfully created a new shortcut. You can also edit the shortcut if needed.